Welcome to our channel. We are Technic Force and we help grow your business online. Please hit the subscribe button to get more updates. This isn't just another AI video tutorial. This is a cinematography crash course designed specifically for AI creators who want their videos to look intentional, professional, and cinematic. Right now, most AI videos fail for one simple reason. They don't use camera movement correctly. You can have ultra realistic visuals, perfect lighting, even a strong concept, but if your camera movement feels random or flat, the video instantly looks amateur. Today I'm breaking down 15 essential camera movements that actually matter. If you master these, your AI videos will already look better than 90% of what's online. Let's get into it. So the first one is slow dolly in. So this is a gentle forward push at eye level. It slowly brings the viewer closer to the subject, building intimacy and emotional focus without feeling aggressive. This move is perfect for realizations, emotional dialogue, or moments where you want the audience to lean in. If you only learn one camera move, start here. Second one is slow dolly out. This is the opposite effect. The camera slowly pulls away from the subject, revealing more of the environment. Emotionally, this shifts attention from the character to the world around them. Use this for endings, isolation, reflection, or moments where the environment becomes more important than the character. The third one is fast dolly in or rush. This is an aggressive forward push. It rapidly closes the distance to the subject and immediately raises tension. This move pulls the viewer into the character's psychological state and works best for danger, shock, or emotional peaks. Use it sparingly, but when you do, it hits hard. The fourth one is vertigo effect or dolly zoom. This move combines a backward camera movement with an opposing zoom. The result is distorted depth that creates discomfort and unease. The subject stays dominant in the frame, while the world feels like it's collapsing or stretching. This is perfect for fear, panic, or sudden realizations, especially in hallways, stairwells, or in closed spaces. The fifth one is macro zoom, an extreme push in that turns a face into an abstract landscape, ideal for sci fi, psychological, or transformation scenes. Next is hyper zoom, compresses massive distances into a single movement, going from wide scale to personal detail without cutting. Excellent for openings and dramatic transitions. Next is over the shoulder or OTS. This framing places the camera behind one character, looking toward another. It instantly creates realism and spatial awareness, making the viewer feel like they're inside a conversation. This is ideal for dialogue scenes, confrontations, interrogations, or tense exchanges. It's simple but extremely cinematic. Next is reveal from behind or wipe reveal. Here, the subject is gradually revealed from behind a foreground object. This technique controls what the audience sees and when they see it. So it builds suspense naturally and feels very intentional. You can use this for character introductions, discoveries, or dramatic reveals using doors, walls, or environmental elements. Next is the through shot or fly through aperture. In this move, the camera passes through a doorway, window, or object and enters a new space. It creates momentum and gives the audience the feeling of entering a hidden world. This works extremely well for transitions, scene changes, or story turning points. AI tools handle this movement surprisingly well when prompted correctly. Next is fisheye or peephole, a distorted wide view that creates voyeurism and unease, best for surveillance, confinement, or psychological tension. Back focus or foreground to background. The camera stays still while the focus shifts from one subject to another. This allows you to reveal information without cutting or moving the camera. It subtly guides attention and feels very professional when used correctly. Next is lateral truck or side tracking. Here, the camera moves left or right, parallel to the subject. The background shifts while the subject stays framed, creating depth through parallax. This adds motion energy without confusing the viewer. So, use this during observation moments, walking scenes, or tension buildup. Next is 180-degree orbit. So the camera slowly circles the subject at a consistent distance. This movement adds immersion and presence while maintaining continuity. It visually reinforces importance and emotion without feeling chaotic. So it's great for dramatic moments, emotional beats, or character emphasis. Next is pedestal up. This is a vertical upward camera movement. As the camera rises, the subject feels more powerful, dominant, or empowered. Visually, it signals growth, realization, or elevation. You can use this when a character gains confidence, clarity, or control. Next is smooth optical zoom in. The camera stays physically still while the lens slowly zooms in. This creates psychological intimacy without calling attention to the movement itself. It's subtle, clean, and very cinematic. Perfect for emotional moments or tightening focus on a subject. Next is snap zoom or crash zoom. This is a sudden, aggressive zoom with no transition. It shocks the viewer and forces attention into a specific detail or reaction. This move mirrors surprise or sudden realization. Use it very sparingly, but when you do, it creates instant impact. And that's the list. So if you master these camera movements, your AI videos will immediately feel more cinematic, more intentional, and more professionally directed. There's a difference between an AI video that looks generated and one that looks crafted. So, what do you think? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. See you in the next one. Making professional videos used to mean big budgets and endless editing. Introducing Vidatia, the breakthrough AI video creator that does it all in minutes. From long form YouTube videos to attention grabbing TikTok, Instagram Reels, or even ads, Vidatia crafts high quality content in any style like cartoons, 3D illustrations, or even faceless narration, all without having you to pick up a camera. Just enter your idea, choose a look, and let Vidatia handle the rest. Vidatia gives you direct access to AI like ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, and Grok, ensuring your videos always stand out. No crew, no editing, no waiting. Get results in seconds, perfect for every platform. So what are you waiting for? Get Vidatia now. Just go to getvidatia.in.